Who was Albert Einstein, and what were his contributions to modern physics? Born in a small German town, Einstein rose from a rebellious schoolboy to become one of the most influential scientists of the 20th century. His radical ideas reshaped our understanding of the universe and revolutionized the field of physics. Picture a young Albert Einstein, born in the late 19th century in Ulm, a small town in Germany. From an early age, he showed a deep fascination for science and mathematics. However, his nonconformist nature often put him at odds with the rigid schooling system, painting him as a troublesome student. Fast forward to 1905, Einstein's Annus Mirabilis, or Miracle Year. During this period, he published 4 papers that would fundamentally change our understanding of physics. One paper introduced the world to the theory of special relativity, a theory that redefined the concepts of space and time. Another paper proposed the famous equation E=mc², establishing an equivalence between mass and energy. Einstein wasn't just focused on relativity, though. His work on the photoelectric effect was a significant contribution to the development of quantum theory. A decade later, in 1915, he completed his theory of general relativity, reshaping our understanding of gravity as not a force, but the curvature of spacetime caused by mass and energy. Einstein's story doesn't end there. After finishing his education, he found employment as a patent examiner in Switzerland. This role, though seemingly mundane, granted him ample time to focus on his scientific research. It was during this period that he published his work on Brownian motion, providing empirical evidence for the existence of atoms, a theory that was still debated at the time. But Einstein's influence wasn't confined to the realm of science. He was a staunch advocate for civil rights, peace, and humanitarian causes. His voice rang out against the rising tide of nationalism, militarism, and racism, cementing his place as not just a scientific icon, but a beacon of moral courage. So who was Albert Einstein? He was a rebel, a visionary, a humanitarian, and a genius whose theories forever changed our understanding of the universe. His legacy continues to inspire and influence the scientific community and beyond. Albert Einstein was, and will always be, one of the greatest minds in history.